Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Never believe bad people destroying your life. Today's topic is important. Don't let negative people control your confidence, your peace, or your future. This video is focused on positive life lessons with humor. Along the way, let's begin. 1. You'll never succeed. Meanwhile, successful people everywhere started with confusion, mistakes, and noodles for dinner. Reason why negative opinions are not predictions of your future. 2. Nobody likes you. Usually said by someone spreading negativity like free flyers. Reason why one person's opinion does not define your value, your relationship. 3. You shouldn't quit. Even a video game, say try again. Reason why improvement often takes patience and repeated effort. 4. You're not smart enough. Human beings literally learn to fly airplanes and invent a pizza delivering app. Reason why skills can grow through learning and practice. 5. Your dreams are impossible. Every invention sounded impossible at first. Reason why big goals usually begin as usual ideas. 6. You're always fail. Failure is usually temporary, not permanent. Reason why mistakes can become valuable experience. 7. People like you cannot do that. History disagree loudly. Reason why many successful people overcome stereotypes and doubts. 8. You're too different. A good image if everybody acted exactly the same. Reason why uniqueness often inspire creativity and innovation. 9. You'll never change. Meanwhile, people change hairstyle, jobs, habits, and phone password everywhere. Reason why personal growth is possible with effort and consistency. 10. Nobody cares about your ideas. One good idea can inspire millions. Reason why creative thinking often starts small before gaining support. 11. You're too late. Someone somewhere started a new career at 40, 50, or beyond. Reason why progress can begin at different stages of life. 12. You cannot recover from mistakes. Humans invented erasers, editing buttons, and apology messages for a reason. Reason why people can learn, improve, and rebuild trust over time. 13. You're weak. Staying calm and kind during hard times actually takes strength. Reason why emotional control and reliance are valuable qualities.